I finally bought a 3D printer. This is the A1 Mini from Bamboo Lab, and I am so excited to get started with the 3D printing arc on this channel. This morning, I spent all my time putting this together and I tried testing it out, and it didn't really go as I expected it to.
Yeah, what the hell is that about? Oh,
It unstuck itself.
yeah.
That's not good.
That is not good at all.
That might just be the base.
Of the boat, yes.
Oh, you're right. Obviously, I was hoping that this would have gone a bit smoother, but this is my own fault because I was using a material which the printer was not prepared to use. It wanted pla, and I gave it petiga.
Oh no, we were so close.
From what I read online, PLA and PETG both require different temperatures and profiles to work properly, so again, that was my own fault for not reading the instructions. So after I learned that, I moved on to building much more complex structures, like this little house, but unfortunately I couldn't get that to work, so I even improved it by removing the roof. And once I set it to the correct type of plastic, it worked perfectly fine. I didn't have any adhesion issues, so that was it. Just make sure you use the correct plastic when printing things. And as a result, we got this beauty. A house without a roof. Otherwise, there are a bunch of pre-built designs which you can download and use, and this kind of saves you the effort of ever having to use Temu again. I mean, look at this beautiful rectangle thing.